If your tables feel flat and hard to read, Excel has a secret superpower: Sparklines, tiny charts that reveal trends instantly. Here's a simple dataset with monthly sales for 5 products across the year. Some products grow steadily, some dip, some stay flat. But in a table, those patterns are hard to see at a glance. A sparkline is a microchart that lives inside a single cell. It turns each row of numbers into a clean visual trend without building a full chart. To add one, go to Insert, then Sparklines, select Line. Let's take an example for product A. In Data Range, choose the entire row of monthly sales for A. In Location Range, select an empty cell next to your row, let's say O2. Just like that, you've transformed raw numbers into a trend line. Let's insert a sparkline for product C as well. Go to Sparklines, then select Line. Choose the entire row of monthly sales for product C, and place the sparkline in an empty cell next to the row for product C, let's say O4, and we get a sparkline for product C. Sparklines can be customized in several ways. Click on your sparkline, then go to the Sparkline tab. You can switch to column or win/loss mode, change the color, or highlight the highest and lowest months. Everything lives in the Sparkline Design tab, so customization is quick. With Sparklines, you can instantly compare product performance, spot seasonal patterns, or detect declines, all without cluttering your sheet with full-size charts. Thank you for watching this video. Please like if you found it helpful.